Hi everyone, today you will learn to make a simple food compost bin which is ideal for home because it is pest-free, odor-free and does not need worm or chemical. However, this method is only for raw food waste such as vegetable scraps, fruit peels and eggshells. Do not use for cooked food or processed food. Now, let's take a look at the materials needed. Plastic container with lid and make holes at the bottom and along its side. You will also need shredded newspapers, cardboards or dry leaves. For the food waste, you must use raw food waste and do not use cooked or processed food. Lastly, do not use clay or muddy soil. In general, there's a green waste and brown waste roughly in a ratio of 1:3. Now that you have the materials ready, let's learn the steps to make a food compost bin. Firstly, cover the base of the bin with shredded newspapers or cardboards. This will absorb any excess moisture or water produced. Then, layer the base of shredded newspapers with soil. You may also layer with more brown waste such as dry leaves or newspapers. Now, you can add the food waste. If you have a lot of food waste, add a cup of food waste each time and layer with brown waste and repeat. Add brown waste and soil, roughly about 3 times of the food waste you have added. Then spray the top layer with a little bit of water and finally cover it with a lid. After adding the compost, you will need to aerate the bin every 2 to 3 days by stirring or rolling it. Then, you can repeat the process of layering with food waste and brown waste until the bin is almost full. If the food is too big, cut it into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Do not fill it to the brim to allow some space for air within the bin. So it's not that difficult, isn't it? I hope you are inspired to make one too. Continue to check my IG story or TV for the development of the compost I've made. Thank you!